I like to close out my episodes generally is, first of all, thanking you for being here, but also giving you opportunity because you're a fellow podcaster to host my podcast. So Boston Cage is now your show. I'm now your guest. Do you have any questions that you would like to ask me?
I would love to ask you the question that I end all my podcasts with. SA, I got to ask you, man, do you believe that money can buy you happiness?
I think to your point, I think money can help you orchestrate what happiness, whatever that is to you. So I think the simplest answer is yes, but it's based upon what you do with the money.
Absolutely. I got one more question for you then, because that one was set up because I framed it for you earlier.
Mhm.
This one, you've maybe listened to my show and heard it, but if you had to choose between donating $1 million, a cold hard check for $1 million, or spending a week physically helping others, what would you choose to do?
Donate the million.
Yeah. Why?
Because I mean, like that money, that $1 million can go way more. And I can put it like this. If you're saying I'm donating 24 hours of my personal time, with that $1 million, I could donate 24 hours of dozens of people's personal time, right? So I can execute way more with that capital than I can do as an individual.
Beautiful answer, man. I love it. And that question's probably 50-50 on people. Some people just want to serve and help. Other people see the value of donating the $1 million because it can go exponentially further. So those
Yeah.
are some great answers, bro. And I appreciate you answering them.